Hey YouTubers, welcome back to another episode of Rosie's Kitchen Cooking. Welcome to another episode of Rosie's Kitchen Cooking. So today we're going to be making some Diri Djon Djon, otherwise known as mushroom rice. So we have our bowl of jasmine rice, we have our black mushrooms, our Djon Djon, and then we're going to be using some creamed coconut. We decided to also add some Lima beans to our rice. This is what the creamed coconut looks like. So we've already boiled the lima beans and added the creamed coconut to it. And next we're going to use a strainer. So with the Djon Djon, you're going to go ahead and add water to it. And this is to soak it for a few minutes. And Rosie's just taking a spoon, making sure that everything is soaked properly. And we're going to leave it soaked for about 5 to 7 minutes. The reason that we're doing this is because we're going to actually be using the water of from the mushrooms created from this. So soaking is mostly used for the water, and then we're going to strain it after this. So in this step, what we're doing is, this is the lima beans water that we're using. So I went ahead and added the cream of coconut to it and just boiling it. And it's on about a medium temperature and gonna boil for a few minutes. What we're doing now is straining the mushroom. You need a strainer, a spoon, and a bowl to catch it. So next, what we're gonna do is we've added some oil to the pot, and this step is optional, but you go ahead and you add Epis or your seasoning to the oil. What we're going to do is we're going to be basically adding the lima beans to the pot, and the white things that you see here are the cream of coconut. You're basically going to stir up your seasoning in here, your Epis, in the oil with your spoon. Just stir it up for a few seconds. And then you go ahead and you add your lima beans to the pot. And right now it's on a high temperature. Next you add the habanero pepper to the lima beans and the Epis. And this is optional if you want to use lima beans with your rice, your Diri Djon Djon. But we're going to go ahead and add the Maggi to the mix as well and stir it up. Make sure your lima beans don't stick to the pot. Next we added some tomato paste to our mix. This is about 3 spoons, I believe, of tomato paste. And next we're going to be adding the coconut to the mix. Do a second strain with the mushroom water, and then we're going to add the mushroom water to the pot. And the temperature is still on high. Next we're washing the rice. Now add your rice to the pot, and the temperature is still on high for now. Add some butter to the pot. Stir your butter up into the rice. Next is you add aluminum foil and put your temperature on low, and this is going to basically steam the rice up. Right, and that concludes our Diri Djon Djon. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell, and leave your comments below to let us know how we can improve our channel. Thanks again for taking the time out to watch us cook in our kitchen.